which we will achieve.
The legal future of Senior Counsel Advocate Dali Mpofu is at risk. This as he faces a misconduct probe before the Disciplinary Committee of the Legal Practice Council, wherein if he is found guilty, it could lead to serious consequences such as being struck off the roll of advocates. The 7 charges brought against Mpofu include, but are not limited to, allegations that he contravened the code of conduct and brought the legal profession into disrepute when Mpofu questioned Justice Dunstan Lambo at the 2022 JSC interviews on allegations of sexual harassment. In addition, Mpofu faces a similar charge for the September 2022 remarks he made to Section 194 Inquiry Chairperson Richard Janke in Parliament, which was perceived to be a quote-unquote threat. In addition, the quote-unquote "we spent our nights together" remark he made to the then President of the Supreme Court of Appeal, who is now the Chief Justice of the Republic of South Africa, Justice Mandisa Maya, which the charge sheet describes as quote-unquote discriminatory and laden with inappropriate sexual innuendo, a suggestion Mpofu denies.
It was clarified at the moment. That was 3 years ago. So what happens now in 2025? When was it unclarified? I mean, what kind of nonsense is this?
Do you think you should have made it, though?
Yes, I'll make it. I'll make it now to you again. Yeah, we spent a night together studying with Justice Maya. Shoot me.
Mpofu, who will be afforded the opportunity to answer to the charges during the hearing, has described the charges as frivolous and completely unsustainable, adding that this is merely a witch hunt.
I'm telling you about the atmospheric issues, which make me totally convinced that this is just a witch hunt and it's not going to succeed, because if their intention is to dissuade me from doing my work and fighting for justice, well, they've come to the wrong address.
While a guilty misconduct finding could lead to serious consequences as drastic as being struck off the roll of advocates, Mpofu seemed unperturbed by that possibility.
I don't care. I mean, why should I care? Bongiwe, I've been fighting for justice all my life. And many people ask that. What happens if they kill you? What happens if they torture you? What happens if they... This is a conscious decision. It's not by mistake that I decided to fight injustice. And I know the consequences. I don't expect racists and other people like that to give me a hug and a kiss. So I know that, if you fight for justice, those people who want the status quo to remain will come fighting you. Otherwise, I would just, be a normal, quiet lawyer minding my own business. I'm not scared of them. They must bring it on.
Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.